Learning Kiddos presents Are you interested in learning more about farm animals? Find out why visiting a farm is fun, what animals live on a farm and what they eat, and how to make fun farm crafts. Visiting a farm is fun. You can jump into dried hay. Ride on a tractor. Watch grazing cows. Feed carrots to the rabbits. Meet our first farm animal, the cow. Cows live in herds. They eat vegetation, such as grass. Little cows and bulls are called calves. Cows give us milk and beef. Can you spot this cow mooing? Let's meet the bull. Bulls are the male cattle. They love grass as well. And give us beef and meat. Always buy organic beef and try to limit your meat consumption to once a week. Once, bulls pulled the plow. Now, machines do it. Let's meet the goose. Geese live in flocks. Geese eat grass, plants, seeds, nuts, and berries. Roasted geese and duck is a Chinese specialty. Their feathers are used as a filling for cushions. How beautiful is this V formation these geese fly in? Meet Mama Chicken and her little one. Chickens do best together and naturally flock together for warmth, comfort, and company. Chickens are omnivores and enjoy a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, and table scraps. Look at how cute this little chick is. A mother hen turns her eggs about 50 times a day. Chicken give us meat and eggs. Try to buy free range. The rooster is the daddy of the chick. Wake up on the farm with the cock-a-doodle-doo of the rooster. Meet Mr. Pig. Pigs love each other's company. They are intelligent animals. The little pigs are called piglets. Pigs are omnivores. They eat plants and other animals. They give us meat. Yee-haw! Let's meet the horse. Horses grazing in a farm field. In the past, horses helped with plowing fields. Nowadays, they are used for horse riding. Meet the farm sheep. Sheep live in flocks. Mostly, sheep eat grass, legumes, and forbs. They give us wool and meat. Meet the farm dog. Farm dogs protect other animals from predators. And sometimes herd sheep or cattle. Some farms have bees. Bees collect pollen. They give us honey. Looking for cool craft ideas on our topic? Make and color in a farm animal pennant. Roll the dice and move like farm animals. Make a cootie catcher and answer the questions about farm animals. Find more ideas on my Pinterest board. Do you like this video? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.